What's up, guys? Today is 365 days, so today marks 1 year of doing daily vlogs, and can't believe it. We did it, Kuya. Let's go.
Happy birthday to...
It's not a birthday, it was just a challenge. So yeah, it's been a fun 365 days. Today, nandito pa kami sa Talisay, but maya-maya pupunta na kami ng Taytay to spend New Year's Eve doon para makita nila kung gaano kalakas ang putukan ng Taytay. Let's go! So nagre-ready na lang kami, and then we're gonna be leaving soon. It's around 10:50 right now. So yeah, let's get ready and then head to Taytay.
Bye-bye! Mommy Lola, will you miss us?
Yeah, I will miss you very, very much.
What about you, Lola? Will you miss us?
Yes, I will miss you.
Lola, Tita, will you miss us?
Yes, I miss you so.
I will miss you. Thank you for visiting us.
Welcome.
I love you, Elijah.
Bye. Lola, will you miss us? Yeah?
I miss you.
Will you miss them, Alice? Yes. Who will you miss the most? All of them. Lola, Mike, will you miss us?
Yes, very, very much.
Okay. Bye-bye. And Happy New Year. I remember January 1 like it was yesterday. Mama, will you miss them? Yeah. Daddy, will you miss them?
Yes, let's go. Boys and girls, we're back. Guys, let's go inside. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ba't ka ganyan? Meron silang toys kaya na-excite. Oh, wow. Let's see, guys. Kanina yan? Alice? Wow. Wow. So guys, like I said, we're here for New Year's Eve in Taytay. Let's go. Wow. Emil has a toy too. Look at Emil's toy. Wow. Let's see your toy. Wow. Open it? Yes. Wow, may maleta din kami. Wow. Oh, wow. Let's go. Guys, paputok na tayo. Let's go. Lakas! Di alala kita sa camera. What's up, Taytay? We're back! First time again na mag-i-spend ako ng New Year's dito. First time nila Elijah, first time ni Ellis, ni Emil, ni April. So I'm very pumped for tonight. Let's go! Guys, habang maaga pa, papakita ko sa inyo yung Taytay with my drone. Let's go!
From the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say.
Hello! 2026! Happy New Year! Let's go! Hindi ko alam ang buhay ko kung nandito ako. Alam mo yan? 20 years na ako nandun. Ganyan ako umalis. Guys, only inaanak in the Philippines. Swerte ka. 15 years old na siya. Ang ganda ng kwento, ano? Anong pagkalabas niya?
2010, tapos October 10, tapos 10 ng umaga mo ba?
Galing, taba ng utak. What's up? Oh, so loud. Yes, Philippines. Guys, first time ni Kuya Ellis mag-spend ng New Year sa Philippines. Hello! Ano na? Naputo itsura mo. Pakikat to sa vlog. I-blur mo siya. guys, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Welcome 2026! Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Malayo na narating natin, pero malayo pa tayo sa pinaka-goal natin. So grateful to be here sa Philippines. So grateful na may experience na mga anak ko to. It's only 9:33 dito. Mamaya magpuputo ka ng malalakas to. Dito nga madami ng putukan 9:30 pa lang. Ayun no. Ano balita? Mag-hi ka muna sa vlog ko.
Bayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
Nasa Rizal tayo Sabi niya, hey, what's up? Ano ka?
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Kuya, bloweran kita.
Gago ka ba? Nagtatarantado pala to Sino yan?
Popo. Thank you, Popo.
Ano ba yung binigay niya sa'yo?
Echipsan.
Sino ba yan?
Si Popo.
Ano si Popo?
Yung kaibigan ko.
Ayun. My brother from another mother. Hey, mga tropa peeps. Tropa peeps. Say hi to my vlog. What's happening?
Sabi namin may mouse malaki.
Oh. Ano sabi niya?
Sabi mo,
Kuya Elijah. Papaputok natin to kay Tito Bobby. Here. Sa gitna, Bobby. Woo! Holy smoke. Holy smoke! Lakas! Happy New Year! Happy Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year na pala!
Alice, look.
Alice, look! Look!
Kalista is here.
No.
Kalista is here. See Kalista. Kalista is here. Happy New Year, Alice.
Nangaasar Nangaasar pa
It's long.
Nangaasar ikaw? Let's go! Happy New Year! Holy fuck! Woo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Welcome to 2026. How was it, Kuya Elijah? How's the experience so far?
Good.
Yeah?
It's just not in Canada. We have like games.
Games, I know.
Like it's the real hype New Year.
Yeah, it's just different here. Hi, Mama. How are you?
good.
How was the meal? Tired. Where's Kuya Ellis? Kuya Ellis! Come here! Ellis, come here! How's the New Year so far? Huh? How's the New Year's Eve so far? Good? You like it? 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Let's go.
All red.
That's okay. Yeah, they're all wearing red. We weren't informed.
But I'm the only one.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. Say cheese, Emil, Alice. Let's go, Emil. Hi. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2026. Go. More travels. More money. Hey. More muscle. More blessing. Let's go. Thank you, Lord. Jeremy is back.
Hi vlog.
Hi,
Welcome
vlog.
back again. We're in Clara. This guy is alias right now. I'm so so bad. You have to censor it, editor. But this
Is he
guy.
acting drunk or is he acting?
No, I'm just acting myself. So how's Philippines? I'm interviewing you. How's Philippines?
Really good.
How
I like
good?
it. So fun.
It's so fun.
Yes.
Which is better? Summer in Canada or
Here.
holidays in the Philippines?
Holidays in the Philippines.
Okay, let's start moving.
Nagkalokohan na. Malapit na. Anong oras na? Almost 11:30 p.m. Papuputok na. Dito natin lalatag yung atin. Guys, nagsisimula na. Ang malalakas na putukan.
It's getting crazy here. It's getting crazy outside. Hi guys, take over. Vlog take over. Yeah, one more. Woo! Bro! Yo, we it hits different.
Bro, holy smoke. Damn. Guys, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Let's go. Okay. Woo! Holy shit! Woo! Let's go! Ito mo! Ano yan? Ano yung hawak mo?
Contraband in the
Kontraband! Ang laki oh! Holy smoke!
Yo, you're gonna lose your 4 fingers with this one. Look at this one.
4 fingers!
Happy New Year, motherfucking Philippines! Let's go!
Butuin mo! Oh! 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 Plapla! Jereb, kamay mo! Holy smoke! 4 minutes, 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes. Happy New Year, Manila.
Happy New Year! 10 more minutes. Let's go! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Preparing. 5 minutes na lang. Let's go! Happy New Year na! Happy New Year! Woo! 2 minutes left! Let's go! Holy shit! Holy shit! Careful, careful. Let's go! 2026! Welcome! Ayan na, last one! Ayan na! Supot! Supot! Oh! Supot! 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 Takot! Hayop ka!
Hindi ako yun!
Yay! Supot! 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 Hey, taas, taas ah! Wala, wala. Supot. Supot, supot, supot. Supot, supot.
Kaya sa gitna!
Yan. Wait. Mama, wait. Wag may layo. Yan na. Kala mo naman. Lusis lang naman. Akin na, akin na, akin na. Akin na. Yeah. Ibilot mo. Oh, tangina. Sa likod. Jan, Jan. Jan, Jan. 3,000. Let's go.